originator is thought. The third originator is utu, energy. 越马，越咪，就講越大所在好知 ，then it grow. Everybody wants heat to grow. 你看一個家母，你再無一個，你人做包，你切爛米粉，你洗完了，你確定啊？你聽台嘛，你佫點聲，都是安尼大碗。你夾起oven，你開oven，安尼oven熱。去做咧紅，哎死水咯！你看我包做那個水，就做一水一個氣。actually 大家人是三股是一個包，頭氣做愈大，氣做愈老，氣做愈超會大，氣做愈變會大。你想話叫我，這下人關係咪大？就不做，你關就死咗，一個月就幾人死，都大人不做。你做一直大，你看你包，你發個安尼水，因為一直發的也真水，發緊了就這個發緊的 maximum 了，一直被打。所以成日做完咯，唔是講打龜頭亂一塊，直接打。做完咯，你直接變灰蟲啊！So the four stages all caused by utu. They see originator Buddha part food. Food 鳥食，人食。Vitamin C， 人講我唔知啦，我聽人講 Vitamin C 食，你要配骨一個啦，你安尼配安尼骨，我自己講我，但我常常做我食 orange 配的就是 Vitamin C。有一個人啊愛食咩300你給他補配出來，but something has got to do with food。我咪講少啲，即係 food 人食咁會 understand。你唔 agree 你做你老細。So the four originators to the sea ham. Past karma, present thought, utu or the heat, and then the last one is food. And look how Buddha is behind. No thing about we inside microscope, inside what we make a it was the children high, go with side wall like the gong, 就是今仔日嚟裝聲嚟出事，一大啲媽仔係烏梅子。Pas kama titik toa. Ye thinking ye hing, setiap hing ikiwa, everyone. And the last one, utu o jual ki, and ye mak women jual ki. Tapi Buddha kong, nyau jak boku, ahara boku. Ahara will come after few days. Buddha 厲害，這個樣啊，Visuddhimagga Thailand 嘅Visuddhimagga，有咱這邊我去看我Visuddhimagga無寫吧 ，Thailand，and one day time doctor 嗰啲咧Hajar嘅老官，伊教我配伊睇嘅Visuddhimagga from Thailand，伊講你看Buddha安尼厲害。อันนี้ที่ก้องขวาพุทธก้องอ่ะคุยแล้วคุยจิตบรรลุเย่อาหารจารุปะอ๋อยำเจ้าปอจิตบรรลุจิตเลยจิตยังไม่ได้ and then this fellow start growing very fast อย่างว่าจะตัว GP progression geometrical progression and ที่เรื่องนี้อีจิปต์รู้ไอ้ที่อีที่โจอุปสิเสถี then อุปสิเสถียักษ์ chẳng có phù nuôi này, so phù nuôi lúc hay mình nhà, nhưng mà lại số dịch, tapi hòa bình yêu chỉ nhận này mình nhà yêu chỉ nhận này kiểu cho enzyme nó rồi lại kéo đi tới xe cha tàu, from xe cha tàu, cái enzyme chỗ cái bản lý toàn bộ, and đây chỉ nhập, oxy kéo đi làm mà nếu có thể kéo đi làm bình, thì có chút another enzyme khám chi lại. 冚起來了嘛，一抓啲拉邊，一手也麻嚟波起呀。 不但都不买个手，我还没看，一看到看就真的。And then after this, are you prepared to look? Consciousness. Actual consciousness, mind and matter, or 正心甲不正，正心甲不正，正心甲不正。他那个看 actually 啊 in the play 出事來，伊一個關注3點，一個剛剛講3點嘅關注，一個是叫做 body 對無？一個是叫做 sex， 查甫，and 這是叫做 heart base or mind， 因為 mind base 呢，我係 mind 就好啦。Once it start growing 你看，即係呢一生囝，即個升華。個升華，個升華，個升華，即個個升華，升華，升華，升華，升華，升華，都直直去。但係特點嘅關注啊，升了華，但係升了華，升了阿未華一成驚。係我有叫啦，你叫佢升華，升華。升華，特別你將升個華咧，伊阿未升，伊升咧阿未華，伊成順升華，升華，升華，升華，特行安尼，所以 grow very fast. Geographical progression and geometrical progression. And 一種嘅關注會生囝4-5擺。過了4-5擺，伊要天台要化了，要老了，所以上個人啊，伊個生囝本是交一個空間，過了menopause未生囝了，本是上咩個本是上安尼啊，這是從阿比達媽講出來淡薄好人聽，唔知啦，a bit too deep, a bit too confusing 啊呢。Tapi kau orang saya tak boleh. All this mind and body is actually a process of flowing on. Titi lau, lagi sangkut titi lau. Ekiwa tadi ingat kau, lu tong lu chiu, lu tong jauh lah, jadi lah. Kita lu tong tu papu kan ya, dia balong jong bosiang. Tapi lu berjawab proof, wah yang harus nyawa這個啊，會一行 ，oxygen 本漸變，有嘅 oxygen 直直加，有嘅直直減，有嘅carbon 直直加，直直減。It's a process changing going on as the blood goes on 啊，你會 oxygen， 你take oxygen from the blood， and then you take oxygen from the blood， 你放出 carbon， then you 加你減 metal 啦，你會 protein 你 take。And protein ibu boleh ambil amino acid. Ini kau apa boleh ambil amino acid. Pada sel kau apa boleh ambil amino acid. And then the amino acid itu boleh pang urea. The blood titipian. Every minute, every second, every fraction of a second. Tak lihat bak. Tak jam ni hui. Titipian. That's what Buddha kong lepas. 他們都用手動一個手了下去，第二單都動落去，無上手了。上家一講啊，你大啲一個鋼呢，你兩你大啲用手啊，攏一個鋼下起來，and then the second time you put your hand to the 鋼，你動咗無上水。人未曉人講，上有一個鋼啊，上有一個鋼，but different water。So life is actually a flowing on. Flowing on di laut, kalau cui di laut. Mai pun bosiang. Mai ko tak cikam ko kamai ko matter pun bosiang. So kau cakap I'm sorry. So lang I discuss. Oh. One day, only thing is that my complaint is that God cheap na, gong du liao lah, dia macam. So it is, we are trying to put too many things in that too short a time. But never mind. Next time là chỉ có làm hình chủ ai kia anh ấy quan niệm rằng hào thảoว่าเป็นสิ่งไม่ก้องเดียวกันอันนี้เจอคู่ก้องยายเทียแล้วก็รู้นะสิหลัง来听ว่าเป็นขันข้อข้องอันนี้เอาขันไม่ยังเขาจะหลังเทียแล้วว่าเทียรู้หลังไอ้เทีย So that's how we get it. So I open myself for question. Anyway, around that 3,000. See how as far as matter is concerned, as far as mind is concerned, there's nothing everything. And this nothing everything is atoms. This nothing atoms is physical atoms, this is pastime. But you will change that. Life is it starts growing. According to the book, it comes by geographical progression very fast. Then I think geographical progression was like to the atom. If before it's second nó có xe tỷ gì bằng người ta, tỷ sao bằng người ta. Tại vì xe thầu bằng người ta đâu à? Cái thầu bằng người ta before you see, it có cái xe kia rồi. And then the kia is soon. The mother is soon. Soon cũng mới xe kia cũng mới xe kia, even mới xe kia. Like how is geographical progression. Cho nên 我唔可以看咗，特別我做啲 hospital 我看特別認真神，我攞國家嚟後面顧住我大佢看，你看佢攞國家啦，以前即係國家實一邊 multiply 時啊，一粒變兩粒，下邊兩粒，一粒都變兩粒，變四粒，一 multiply 成咗咩？And ilang ng lifespan na, isilap, in-investment. Many of the parasites just really higher. Many of the parasites look good. Let's look on what. Ichilian niya, ichikin niya. Hop, i-form the ring up. Ityam, yan yung best. And then ichichiyak, ichichitwa. Dalam jitak-jitak ting, ipyan. Chỉ chặt trên cho cái câu chặt là chặt chặt, chỉ là sao hòa, tập quy chặt thì mới chuyển sao với chặt. And then dalam chỉ chặt thiên tâm trên chỉ chặt cái trên có chặt quy chặt. And then chỉ là cái hòa trong sao, hòa, lấy cái hòa ra cho yên sao hòa. That is called geographical progression. So that lúc thịt chỉ chăm người hủy, lúc khoai thịt chăm tụ, thịt chỉ chăm người hủy, lúc khoai thịt suy bạc trình. And then so lúc khoai chụp này lên là chỉ lúc khoai phụ cha, chẳng là vô lại, lúc hủy chẳng là breathing ra ra tô quả lúc hủy lao chút. Chỉ nên what khoai cho là because what from hospital what thing lại khoai. So là những body cái nó sẽ làm gì anh nào? Phật giáo là gì à? Buddha bên đó con làm theo, để cho ít con người đi kinh thì con người trồng kinh đi thiền kinh. Tại vì ít trái con là future generation ấy, cho ít cả sa di Buddha. Anh lúc hỏi cả sa di Buddha là trong sao? Thiền kinh thì con kinh chỉ bên chỉ cả ít tiền có chỉ xin là cả. And then sa di Buddha cả cái hồi sáng, có ba hồi sáng, cho biết chỉ làm. Hetu pacayo, aramana pacayo, adipati pacayo. Katalah orang cici eki. Jadi kalau saya abidama, ilang kau tak Buddha buka, buka. Tapi first council ilang bucik sila lagi kau, boleh lagi ilang cici. Because that time tu lagi kau ngaku aneh salam dulu. Halalu kau lantai. That's how Buddhism is spreading in the West. Because ilang just scientific minded. Yeah. Human rebirth là ít bộ immediate ít giáo kia mà ít thế là sáng chăm. It goes into that. The ovum and the sperm mix and then swallow hoặc cha lòng tí giáo kia bên. immediately. Everybody, not only humans, even an ant.
But according to what I have heard,
He tak tahu dia.
no, human rebirth is very difficult and rare. Just like the blind turtle in the
See.
it takes a long time. So how can human rebirth be immediate?
Immediate lah. It can see each other. It takes time. It takes time to grow. Immediately means immediate conception.
Immediate conception.
Conception.
But then he said, he mentioned that human rebirth, to be born as a human being is very difficult and very rare. It's just like a blind turtle in a
See. When I say rebirth means human conception at that time. Conception, to be conceived as a human being in the womb of a mother. Very rare. Very rare. Hingga mai kau pun.
And then person, you have a rebirth, another person must die. So there are so many deaths around us. So there will be many rebirths.
There will be, as more Buddhas come, the world will be getting less something lah. But if you learn mathematics, there's another good mathematician. I heard infinity, take away infinity, result still infinity. Infinity divide by infinity, usually answer will be 1, isn't it? But still infinity. Infinity multiplied by infinity, result infinity. I don't know, but this a scientist told me, and then it is also in the book. This is called the subject of infinity. Now let us think, this area kêu ayam mungkin 16 je boh. Mungkin 16 yang lu lai sun sia tu ho. Oh sia, ang sia, keng sia, lang sia, ham sia, yu sia, cho sia, tua sia, ke sia, kakanda sia, sun sia. And that is the population of ants in Muktim 16. What about other planets? What about Malaysia? What about the forest? What about the world? Yeah, and they are all promising. Countless millions of fish die in one day, eaten by men and the effects. And lúc tại chỉ bé hủ chua lúc cái khoa, hủ gia yêu được cái sinh情味. And then today có gì lãng thiên dài, what about tòa thì hai tòa hủ chả dê hủ, có các tòa hủ chả chứ cái tòa hủ. And then say có các chả miniature hủ, like that. And what about natural death? What about the seagulls and the penguins? Millions of them and losing millions of them. And every day they want to eat. So, every minute, every second, every fraction of a second, infinite number of fish die. Infinite number of ants die. Infinite number of worms in the leaves die, eaten by birds. And those people say worms, fish, to sibat cholang, and they eat sick by. And everything Hailang thing evolves to become a human standard. In Yaku, look what they found. DC look at intelligence and over. Watching Kailawa ban lai lah, risik ya. Caterpillar wa quality ya, no quality ya ya. We are dealing, and then sila ko si hami ya. We are talking of this universe, this 31 plane of existence. And Buddha saw countless millions of world systems, each with a 31 plane. Countless millions. That's what terrible cannot imagine Lan pun si Ching Haku si Ching remote from the other world system thì promotion thì lại là có mai có bị demotion có bị lột thì anybody would like to ask something? Yeah. Hancur Silena sudah tinggalki, silena boga sampada, silena dibu tinggalki. Sila Buddha complaining. Silena sudah tinggalki. Everybody is born in a happy place because of sila. Silena sudah tinggalki, silena boga sampada. People are born rich and handsome because of sila. Silena dibu tinggalki. Get boy is you guys, is shall to cry, is guy to God. Because the first step to reach Nibbana is Kai Teng Ui. The first step to have good life in samsara, 40 is Kai. See the point, the difference? 40 you Kai is Kai. But when you are starting to march towards Nibbana, Kai Teng Ui. So, Kai is wonderful. You will go to heaven. Kata 40 you also go to heaven. Today depend on whether it's 40 thì cần làm cái câu nào ông yêu với chút gì. Ta tới sao bốc mà tôi nói chua cái tô mà. Hôm nay con chỉ là với cái chỗ lắng là mua cái thiên cái này. Tức là tôi không có cái chỗ lắng đi. Mà cái chỗ lắng chỉ là free. Buddhas are born in other world systems, and no Buddhas are born in heaven or in other skies or layers or anything except humans. And no Buddhas are born in America, South America, South Africa or Australia. Always it must be in the middle country of India. And there are 5 aspects of nature's law. One aspect is called the law of karma. Another aspect is called the law of genes. Third aspect is called the law of consciousness. The fourth aspect is called the law of energy. And the fifth aspect of nature's law is called Dhamma Niyama. What? Dhamma Niyama. This Dhamma Niyama Mulang is explained except a Samam Sambuddha. There are certain phenomenal strange things happening because of this Dhamma Niyama. You cannot explain, only Sama Sambuddha explains. So, every Buddha is born in that place is one of the Dhamma Niyama. And every Buddha wants to get enlightenment is somewhere in that same spot. So much so that it's become so many millions of Buddhas are born in that place. There was a case where Ikong Kilay miracle power yang Kong Pui. At that area, there was some sensation. In other words, Ibis had flight going. Like to say, you experience like a while ago when you're in the plane, you experience air pocket or something like that. That one, whether I want to believe or not, don't bother answering some of this. But what I know is that Buddha explained it very well. Some of the things are called Dhamma Niyama.
So all the Buddhas originate from that particular thing?
Yes. That is Theravada. And it was written down more than 2,000 years ago on oral leaves. That time no paper. Such the flesh of Abhidhamma. But This is general. But when you know this general Abhidhamma, next time we can talk on Patthana. Patthana, the 24 conditions, how mind comes to be. That is also going to be very interesting. Any more questions?
Opposite. 前面我讲教甲这个平常人，伊无讲对紧这个圣人的家事，这个阿里亚是正式绝对是咱的佛，所以无对紧的家事是虾米啊？无对的界，所以佛甲咱讲，咱是在家人。咱应该逐日要过这个五戒，因为一个人有影渐渐修这个五戒，100%伊是去天顶的人，唔使去对无样无正讲，哎呀，我就做这个就看望着这个就好咧就拜就动车，噶了唔免，拢总你甲他在活你过咧戒，在是 guarantee 你通去天顶，所以这边我正常我有讲。对紧了这个界，这个家事或者家事，而是这个界，两个方面，这个方面，伊叫你讲 restrain 就係講禁唔通做。我逐個講白話講，摩托車有 brake 打 brake， 啥你要拍幫架你就要想，按這個 restrain 有5項，頭一項是啥物啊？愛有界了就是有了這個控制。这个控制，你看，网那是假如你要拍的是，哎呀，网假。平常时你是去安尼，特别一个人那是受戒，咦，我今日受戒，唔通拍，一走。这个就是讲，你用这个戒律来控制做，卖做恶。第二项讲啊，佛讲啊，爱有正念 ，mindfulness， 人那是有正念，做虾米物件伊知。那是讲啦，伊讲虾米话了，你看遐边个人骂伊，哎哟，伊去升地了，知，我就要过，伊用 mindfulness 过虾米，唔通是煞讲话了，你讲话落去，输地大输了，遐边会拍到你来了，所以这个就是讲，伊控制用伊有正念的力。第三项有智慧，咱逐个听经，咱有智慧，有智慧讲虾米啊？咱啊。爱控制，像讲人做查甫人，有当时查甫人转来，你看面后面臭，你袂使一下跳伫心肝讲，死鬼啊！我规日点样住伫厝做甲半死，转来也无笑，过了面后面臭，这个咱袂使讲哎呀安尼，因为虾米算？无见着伊伫做 office 点啥，伫做工的点啥。头家有生伊淡薄了，所以伊的火有伫遐边，伊转来了，慢慢叫伊会笑。所以这个是智慧，不单讲啊，爱有吉善心。伊早起去做工，甲他拿来暗，了今日伊他拿转来面后面臭，我就要生字，就要讲，这个是用智慧讲，再讲啊，天无100日光，花无100日红，今日我的大部人。伊会经无得，我就较细致讲，这就是讲用智慧来控制，唔通一下起升地，你要好过冇好过啊！这个你就要吹皮听，所以这个是用智慧。第四项，佛讲啊，伊控制伊用吞论心啊，咱中人话讲忍辱，你看要坐禅的时啊。越听来越，他定听，他定闭，他定热，他定冷，他定爱困，你就要拍到你控制咩？吞论听就你听，我要故事要坐禅要进步，把你啦你坐禅正会进步，所以用这个控制来控制咩？唔通讲气分大劲，一下若要扭起来，有个人你看伊坐禅坐落去呐。啊！未过伊不到来先否令一声接落去先下去哈咪啦！你按照坐禅，你突然间你下去了，你伊无讲拍到一个爱困，所以用一个忍辱吞论。 and then 第五行伊讲用骨力心，而且骨力心啊，爱做好就爱骨力，爱唔爱做好唔免骨力，因为唔好讲啊，咱的心关系像个陀萨安尼。你摕一个爱过拢，一边是拖毛水，一边清气水，然后你放咧拖萨，你拖萨点点要去吹垃圾水，伊无爱吹大啲清气水。所以Buddha讲 ，mind delights in evil。咱的心，你放我的心家己走，一点点要去走去啲垃圾的所在。你人出来看，一日卖做工，大啲房间收起来规日，然后我卖做半行。咱你看咧卖，想无影无食，想啥物啊？想哎呀，我趁啊雷头较灵淡薄，就点点多啲厝袂使啦，来一半时去合一淡薄，偷开淡薄。这个材料就是垃圾的物件，伊想安尼物件，你人猜看真正来路的呀。你叫讲唔通想这个，你猜唔通想，慢慢一个来，安尼啥物啊？观自心所做，咁了拢总是恶嘅事。做这个是叫做控制。嗰一方面啊，要来做好，就是讲啊，let go 放起甲。这个放起甲是真正要紧，而且放起甲本是对五行，特别这个对五行头一行是 abandon through personal view， 这个我要放起甲，渐再讲我有累，我够热水，达人爱我唔使惊，你买我找别人，你讲嘅话，我，这个我大一拖起来，所以这个人啊，伊会晓放起讲，伊放起讲，这个叫做下见啥物啊？无正式是无这个我，你若是要放啊，按照样放，伊人坐善了，伊看到。名色，伊要坐禅的时，伊坐到3摆，伊9日点了，伊看到啥物物件伫起，是报道伫起，这个报道是色来，是物质来，起在讲是起，是心在，咱心是叫做名，佢咧报道伫起伫叮当是色，所以伊搞到这个看到名色，你搞到这看到名色，伊看到真实。无一个我是这个名色呢，起甲落。第二项啊，伊放迄讲啥物啊？伊放迄讲无相信因果，真正侪人讲因果无影，特别伊若是坐禅，伊交甲第二个爷那，伊看到因为假带，因为爱白，手把路才起来白。安尼你行路时，因为爱起来行。伊马路会卡着行，伊看到原因是一个思想浮起来，结果行动马路才出。这个就是伊坐个第二个人那，伊看到有原因结果，原因有了声，结果我听到的精神浮起来，声甲耳仔触到，听到的精神浮起来，这个就是伊看到原因结果。伊若是安尼直坐，伊拍到啥物啊？拍到讲一个无影因甲果，暑假伊要来暑假，所以伊这个就拍到一啦。伊let go，一个let go咩？放迄个，这个心讲拢总无因果，伊放迄个。有个人伊讲啥物？渐放讲有影无？这个坐禅安尼，你就会谈到智慧。做这个是叫做疑心。放迄个这个疑心，你直对，你搞到一个看站，你看到，伊布达讲 ，He sees what is past and not past。搞到一个看站，伊家己看到，这条路对，出了这条路无对，正实，伊看到这个路是对路。所以这边大山卡的人啊，会使讲啊，30-40个讲啊，搞到这个看站，伊知讲，这个是我那家的路是对路。但是你看10几个伫坐个了捌做过回上，伊人搞了这个看站，伊看到这个是正佛的路，这个唔是佛的路，唔使想的，伊家己来，伊家己知，所以这个就是伊放迄个伊疑心， 咱伊有了这个看到虾米是路，虾米毋是路。咱都看有时啊，伊放迄讲咩啊？有个人啊要做恶，无惊天无惊地，伊无惊因果个袂要紧，伊无惊天无惊地。伊若是虾米啊？虾米恶的物件伊本敢做，特别伊若是坐仙，直直我家人坐仙，到甲一个坎站啊，伊点无点的讲是我喏，安怎我一过坐仙，我心肝跳咚当咚当咚当，上来看到鬼啊呢！去在伊到一个坎站。伊叫做买啊，惊！叫你认为讲惊着，你讲毋是惊啦，心跳啦。叫你真正坐有个人啊，我前下久我几若年前的时候，我坐到这坎站，我心跳，我走去落军厝，我做落军厝所 free 的，虾米点啥，他们摕我ECG看，ECG normal， 改了 normal， 安怎我心点点跳，上我看到鬼啊呢？你要讲惊毋是惊？这个就是讲，咱的潜意识的 mind 感觉着讲，去在世间水的目标、水的物件是恶毒来，结尾互你苦，结尾要拖你落地嘅。想讲啊，对啦，肉紧的物件，我爱看水水，我爱味芳芳，我爱食好好，鱼啊我爱听好好听。啊！大人来这查某叫你大龄啊，你好啦。咱若是叫你无叫你大龄啊，참买菜啊。就这个甲了拢总是毒的物件，大人讲好啊，是好了。所以这个就是伊let go，伊放迄个，这个是头一个假事。第二项伊放迄个，因为伊已经这个恶。一个人伊若是坐仙坐甲300，伊拍到一个，伊毋是拍到伊2条这个5个阻碍 ，5 nivaranas 哦，5项点点责咱未进步坐仙，这个是啥物啊？爱对肉紧的享受，歹生地，爱困，心点点爱想是啥想 ，restlessness of mind， and 第5项。疑心有影无伊加即个路掉无，安尼逐间安尼后呢，安尼赢呀伊加，所以即个叫做5个阻碍。伊若是坐仙不力图是坐，伊已经即个5项未起来。若是坐三马大仙，伊已经甲300，伊会谈着阿班那三马地。特别我人维巴萨那的人，我人未谈着阿班那三马地，我人会谈着乌巴查拉三马地。就是讲啊，我人的精神无像个平常人了。佛教的点声，你看，你入中真正明了。你看到起到落真正明了。无爱困，无想杂想来。这无杂想来，无爱困，你目标真正明，你谈着有巴扎拉萨玛利。咱逐个我讲，前下久这12年我讲，伊要来，你知讲伊要来。一来的时，你唔知伊来；伊来过了，你知讲啊呀，我谈了一个罗汉谈了，你快乐，你欢喜啊！有当时看你目睭，目睭滴，念落往我 goodbye 甲你了，我无落了，禽兽我无了，乌龟我未了，这个是谈着一个。所以这个是真正快乐。不但讲佛讲啊，这个人若是坐到安尼坎站啊，伊就是讲啊，较好业过全世界伊做王分无安尼好业。所以这个用已经这个5个阻碍，这个假事。第3个假事 eradication 啥物啊？切掉点迄个无做就会。无做只虾米物件，心会毒，心会毒是虾米啊？贪嗔痴大业，干心心有个人啊，嘴甲你讲 hello， 特别心啊，咦，我就真知道，烦恼看那是无问题，就甲你讲 hello 啊，哼，这个是叫做干心心，所以这个干心心就毒的物件拢种啊，你大陆安怎洗还无？心的物件要洗。外面上古垃圾都用沙本、用苏打洗一清气，特别心未洗， 节省甲教育，节省甲你谈着罗汉节4个罗汉，一个隆重无做一下了。特别头一回谈到的是叫做道，是无是道？当人话道马噶道。第4项啊，伊是叫啥物啊？消灭无做一下了。伫这边我要讲互人听啊，这边啊，你看这后的，你人捌看无？滚水甲水泉水啊，水泉水较好食对无？若是人阳面，你人无看。水泉水啊，伊较有 taste， 较有滋味。有时滚水正，虾米物件做这个滚水较无好食？因为这个滚水无加温，是无？加温了无加温了，食了正。了水啊，你摕一个水，你下加温是一个烘的气，你下了啊，伊另外好食。所以你人食泡水甲食滚水，倒你样较好食。泡水较好食，因为啥物事？泡水伊人下加温伫内面落去。所以今日咱你看，若是一个人伊节省了谈着道了，这道这谈着了的时啊，伊后面接进来对进来是果，按这个果的时啊，就是讲你恶，你三毒啊物，噗！未大啲水，二手同人话安尼讲，未讲啲水的内面舀起个了，特别咧毒有，了你看一个水啊，睇下咱摕一个水，我讲这水啊，因为我古时做老棍厝，我人知，你摕一个水啊，伊有一个竹，咱写一个竹是无？伊叫calcium carbonate，咱这个竹啊，你来是敲个水了啊，伊舀伫水的内面，舀伫水的内面了，你要安怎摕这竹去夹啊？真正用，你摕这个水去下滚，这滚了也加本走，这加本走也竹未舀伫水，也竹结完。了大啲咧大个的水底，所以你会想看，安怎淡仔咧水我滚了安怎咧下底说有刷，嗰啲刷就是叫做calcium来，calcium carbonate，是安尼是山上，我看你人几个学生啊，我就啲讲互人听，所以一个人因为是节省了谈到这个道了果是正实。好你行恶行，贪嗔痴大业干心心分断心，无惊天无惊地，这个个了叫做恶行。噗，结果归地，安咱伊未咬伫水的内面啊，所以你心变清气的心，所以你来出事，无来出事了，你心个了是清气。假如若是讲有加减淡薄，你去出事天顶个了，拢总是好的物件了。所以这个就是叫做。伊假是用当湿洗，可以未使舀分开伊做一下，所以这个水是10分完全清气。这个心，你来节省教育，伊心真正清气。300有时我逐个讲，人配换你本未起风，人巧咧改好，你本笑笑，你睇起啊。即时你睇起后时无等到你就做牛做马还我无惊，你袂走，亮亮，就是我讲亮亮，你人无人睇你物件好死鬼啊！你车弄死，你虾米？就虾米事你去理咩？因为你的心会毒，各有治。做心会毒呢无治，真正来路的人。第5项，伊讲 escape， 假使甲你。escape 同人话讲脱离了啦，闪开了啦，谈了4个罗汉，谈了入团，脱离苦了，无了，1点苦本无了，人做你激心嘛，无了，无激心了， 人做路虾米物件无了，就是入了入团，就是讲十分的 escape 是怎样话？啊，闪开了啦，走了啦，无了啦。所以这边咱张辉我教这边有剩淡薄我无讲，他那老会讲啊。平常人啊，伊若是目睭看到一个目标啊，伊个mind啊，伊个心啊，伊个精神去知啊几哪行发生出来。咱看无，咱看到我看到杨面。actually 未看到杨面，真正一行，他电我才跳人听。所以这个，他那咱落来这条经啦。就讲平常人啊，伊若是看到土，伊讲土，伊那都是我若是夹一半的土，互路人看，大人就看到讲一半土，这里相比有30了，心的30了，知了。这个他电我听人看，你虾米算？伊也未看到一半土的点啥，伊会目睭触到迄一项物件，伊有一个影，这个影，伊个毋知是土，迄个就是较清气，到伊知是土，有30，这个查某过，噗，搭摩托车过。伊也看到查某30了，那是无30，未看到查某过的时，看到出这个样过呐，未有30。特别相平就是安尼啊，就是讲看法是一项发生，所以头一项伊讲the first impression， 你人看，真正来咯，那是安尼一人。该我今日个毋是回笑，今日我是一个看到安尼坐，目睭看到安尼坐，真正来路咱的看法，咱的看的路无相的，伊看到安尼坐安尼坐项，伊无逐项伊爱看，特别这个拢总入了伊的这个目睭。伊爱见一项，伊要专心伫遐边。头伊看是 general， 你看啦，叫人家查某老阿姆、老阿姨、老虾米，伊看无 interest， 伊无兴趣。特别一个穿了红衫，穿了上古看红，这个就是讲伊拿起你的兴趣。你看安尼一项，伊见回来一项，30了。大人讲无影啦，得落30，目睭是要看物件啦。安怎安尼坐你莫看，你要转伫相边。所以这边佛讲，这伊看到土是土，还是伊看到查某是查某，30了。这个30倒落来，他听咱才讲未。看我要讲淡薄这个，你人入 supermarket， 你人捌看无？入 supermarket 头一回你看到，哇，真正一项，你知真正一项呀嘞？你每讲你看条庙，唔知啦，你落真正一项啦。伫这边武大讲你要找物件，你要找一个手指，你要买手指，隔2-3日你要结婚，你要买一个，唔知 supermarket 有卖手指，我想无啦。有啊，看有啊，我唔知啦，我唔捌搭到 supermarket， 看我唔知。看到手指，然你只会看到一图，安尼坐手指，一个你看了垃圾下落伊，你精神行17点啦。17点了，3点你唔知半项，第4点这个五斤目睭耳鼻孔喙望发动了，目标伫目前了，所以 了第五个是啥物啊？目睭看，这一个水哦。第五点叫做啥物 ？eye consciousness 了，乱看。第六点，伊接受了，这个物件有啲目睭，伊接受了，接受咱的 mind 摕来想，这个看了水啊，个蓝色啊，伊的目肚有蓝色。所以伊 receive 伊接受伊查考了到甲这边第八咯，即两三四个啦，就第八伊拍算了，这粒就这类。你看这个真有咩啊？特别忽看着明啊！伊叫做阿莫话讲3点的 vibrate 八万加，伊精神无在个。第四个啊，伊目睭会看着来了。第五无啊，这个第四个是这六经甲了移鼻了。第五目睭关紧了。第六接受了这个目标。第七伊查考这个好无，这个水无，这个达无，我的蕊会够入无。And then 第八就是 deciding 我拍算我袂进入。And then 过了 I impulsion 等人字无写有写 impulsion 无写 impulsion 就是伊意识心嘛，伊出行动啦，伊行活动。头家这粒规律行动出了，这个行动出来，你看我画的时候，我系蓝色，加了白色，所以这个白色的正式是果正式的树，正式我有拄着一个查某，正式本有结缘，要今日我爱伊，伊本爱我，这个就是因缘合起了，看着我爱你，你爱我，了这边就拍算行动出了，了这个蓝色的就讲我马仔去买手指，了后日咱来换手指，所以 impulsion 一直经。所以今日咱目睭所看、耳仔所听、鼻孔所味，拢总是过来。咱如安怎接受这个目标，是你帮因后几个月出果。伫这边咱爱加减爱知。所以今日你看，若是你入去一个 supermarket， 一个物件你看了真正明，你会一个精神行17点了。特别你知无？你入 supermarket， 你看着一半项，像你要买手指，你去着迄个查某了，你看，然你看着白开的手指，你无虾米，啥讲无虾米爱的，无虾米水，无下你心的。伊无行17点，伊行15点，伊放下个2点，你虾米事啊？伊无兴趣，所以伊未有基地，这个这个2点8个就是叫虾米？当人是虾米？伊 register， 伊收起来，你基地，伊记录了。了这个伊无兴趣的，伊看着呢，伊批评呢，伊莫去记录，莫去想会记的，伊无想。特别伊本有因果，你虾米事？伊有个 impulsion， 伊有这个叫做自由心。特别你看，有时你入 supermarket 啊。你要去买金器，特别我在啲金器的边有卖只别项物件，虾米物件你本无注意，你知讲啊有红啦，有土洞啦，即个虾米物件，特别你无买我去即个物件，即个就是啊，你看较无明啊，伊就是虾米，伊行即个8点到甲即个拍算，是我拍算的，了伊无行动出。了有时你入 supermarket， 你要去买金器，你看到这边啊有卖红有虾米啊，特别你我基本无拍插，特别你看到边啊真正济项，虾米物件你问我唔知，我知讲真正济项，这个个是第4项会看，伊有 vibration 呀，伊无讲到甲这个拍算的心，所以你看这个物件，看着明啊，目睭安怎做，耳仔安怎样。有时有人听到鱼啊呢，听到那声呢，我girlfriend friend 来，他进去看，安怎唔是我girlfriend friend， 特别声响啊，就是看， 声皮啊皮喙鼻孔，这个了有当时无老实，伊走路安尼样。所以这边我听互人听，所以不要讲啊，一个人啊，伊就看到这个物件尔，伊知讲这个物件垃圾的，按这个垃圾对这个四项，不要讲达人有到这个四项的垃圾。